Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make fondant number toppers. Before we start off with the video, please do check out our channel for other such videos. We show simple steps to get these amazing shades. Let us know in the comment section which shade you like the most and which shade you want to see next. We also show some quick and easy hacks which you can try at home. Now to start off with the video, first you'll need some fondant. You can use any color fondant you want. Then I have some corn flour here for dusting the base so that the fondant doesn't stick. You will also need some toothpicks, but if you want your number toppers to be a little more longer, you can use skewers. I also have a knife here with this blade. You get this at any baking store near you. You will also need a roller. You will get this at any baking store near you. Now to begin, first you need to dust some corn flour so that the fondant doesn't stick. I like to dust it this way using a brush, but you can do it however you want. Then I start rolling like this. Roll as per how much thickness you require, but I recommend you to make it a little thicker since it's for the numbers and also it'll look good. After rolling, you can see the thickness I've got for my number topper, but you can keep rolling depending on how much thickness you want. Next, with the help of a toothpick, I'm gonna roughly draw the number so that it's easier to cut. I'm drawing the number 5 here. Another way is to trace it using the paper. As you can see, I'm drawing it with free hand here. Make sure you do it lightly so that the lines don't appear on it when you cut it out. Basically, as I'm drawing, I'm adjusting the size as I want. Again, guys, make sure you do it lightly so that the lines don't appear when you cut it out. Once it's done, I'm going to start cutting it out with the help of this knife. Always start with the straight cuts since it's easier to do. Be very careful when you're cutting it out because it's delicate. You can see I'm easily able to cut it out because I'd already drawn on it with the help of a toothpick. Once I've cut it out completely, I'll take it out like this with the help of my hand. And I'll give it some finishing touches. You can see there are some lines visible on it. Make sure when you draw on it or you trace it, do it lightly so that these lines aren't visible. I'll show you another one just in case. Next, I'm going to draw number 1 here as I'm doing it for a 15th birthday. Again, with the help of a toothpick, first I'm going to draw it freehand on the fondant so that it's easier to cut it out. To get the exact size, I'm going to take the number 5 and I'm going to place it next to it and adjust as per the size. After drawing it freehand, I'm going to cut it out. You can either slide it or you can do it this way since it's straight. After cutting it out, I'm going to give it a good shape using my hands. Now to make it a topper, take a toothpick or a skewer and some melted chocolate. Here I have a combination of milk and dark chocolate, but you can use whichever chocolate you want. Then flip the number upside down and take a toothpick or a skewer and dip it into the chocolate. After dipping it, place it behind the number topper and press it gently to keep it in place. And then let it refrigerate for a minute or two. After refrigerating it for a minute or two, you can see it's stuck well to the number. And there you go, guys. A simple, easy way to make a fondant number topper. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell icon to get notified on our new videos.